Okay, today we're going to look at circle graphs. So the basic equation of a circle graph is the x squared plus y squared equals r squared, where r is the radius, and if we just have this plain one, the center is at 0, 0. So we see there the center would be there. And we have if we have, like in the green where we see here, we have x squared plus y squared equals 1. So we can write 1 as 1 squared. So we can see that the radius is 1. So anywhere going out from the center is 1. So out to there is 1, and so on. So over in the pink, when we've got over here, x squared plus 4 is 4. So you could write that as what x squared plus y squared equals 2 squared. So therefore the radius would equal 2. So we see the 2's out there if you extend from the center outwards. So we've got a basic formula for a circle, which is we have the x minus h in brackets squared plus the y minus k brackets squared equals r squared. So we saw before the r is the radius, so the h moves the center of the circle. When we have a minus symbol there, it moves it to the right, and the k moves it down. So it also moves it up. So if we see the center becomes this new point, HK coordinates like that. So if we go to the next page, we will see an example. So if we were going to sketch the graph of x minus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 2 squared. So we can see here the radius is 2, and we have it, this is the center, 1 and 2. So essentially we've gone out to 1 and we've gone up to 2, and that's where we've seen this center. So the coordinates of the center, 1, 2. So if you look, anywhere going out from there is 2. So if we work, the radius equals 2. So if I'm already on 1 down here and I go out 2, I'd be sitting out on 3 there. So we can label that point as 3, 2. And if you see, if you went up here, that would be adding another 2. So that would bring me up to 4 up here. So I could say that coordinate here is 1 and 4. And so on. So we could label all the points. So out here, this point we could say was negative 1 and 2. So it's come out to the x is negative 1, and so on. This one down here is 1 and 0. Alright, so that's how we do a basic circle.